Good night, teacher. Today I will talk about big decision. What decision did you make? I made a decision to study administration and international business. Why did you make it? I made it because I was highly motivated by global trade, logistics, and how international markets operate. What were the consequences of your decision? The consequences have been fantastic. I've gained a lot of knowledge about global commerce and port operations, and I've met incredible classmates who share my passion. What might have happened if you hadn't made that decision? If I hadn't made that decision, I might have chosen a completely different career path, like pure economics, but it wouldn't have been as exciting. I wouldn't have started my current research projects either. Mm, an accidental event, what happened? An accident event was finding a specific research topic about artificial intelligence and proficiency by pure chance during a casual conversation. How did it happen? It happened when my teammates and I were discussing global trends and someone accidentally came across an article about the port of Callao operations. What were the consequences of the event? As a consequence, we discovered a huge opportunity to analyze technology and logistics, which became the core of our thesis project. What might have happened if the event had taken place? If that accident event hadn't taken place, we could have spent weeks looking for a topic. We might have chosen something much more generic, and we definitely wouldn't have focused on operational efficiency like we are doing now. Thank you, teacher.